Behold the majestic macaw, a vibrant jewel of the tropical skies. With their brilliant plumage and playful antics, macaws captivate our hearts. But beyond their beauty, these birds hold a special place in our ecosystem. Macaws are commonly found in the tropical regions of Central and South America, where they thrive in the lush rainforests and swamps. Their colorful feathers, a kaleidoscope of blues, greens, and yellows, serve as a warning to predators to attract mates. But more than just a fashion statement, their feathers play a crucial role in their survival and social interactions. As seed disappears and pollinators, macaws play a vital role in maintaining the health of their ecosystem. They help spread seeds, fruits, and nuts, allowing plants to propagate and grow. A decline in macaw populations could have devastating effects on the environment, leading to reduced biodiversity and ecosystem imbalance. But macaws teach us more than just ecological importance. They remind us the value of community, monogamy, and family. They show us with vibrant colors and joyful swags. Life can be lived to the fullest. So let's cherish and protect these magnificent creatures and learn from their beauty, resilience, and social bonds. Thank you.